The airline industry is really not doing so well right now. With increased demand, furloughs, and an uncertain future, there's a lot to be worried about. But the great news is that you can find really cheap fares with Google Flights right now. And I'm going to show you the secrets of how to use Google Flights so you can do that. Hi, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new update. Right now, we are doing a new subscriber shout out. So if you are a new subscriber, leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle or YouTube channel name, and you will be getting a shout out on my Instagram page. And without further ado, let's get started. So, one of the really cool features about Google Flights is that for both your destination and your origin, you can put in multiple airports. And this is really good because if you're flexible with your origin and your destination, you're more likely to be able to find a better deal. So if I live near San Francisco, which I do, I'm going to put all of these surrounding airports in case a flight maybe going out of San Jose, which is also close, is cheaper than going out of San Francisco. For now, I'm just going to put random dates. Okay, so the second really cool feature is the map feature. Let's say you're traveling and you don't know exactly where you want to go, and you're more flexible to see which place is going to have the best prices to go on vacation to. So as I see here on the map, Los Angeles is $130, Portland is $210, $184 to go all the way to Miami, which is really good. New York is $178. So this is really helpful if you're more, again, if you're more flexible and you want to find somewhere else to go. And when you move the map, it'll search different places. So San Jose, Costa Rica, 751 round trip. San Juan is 230. Bermuda is 565. Now, the next thing you're going to want to know is that you can also put in flexible dates. So let's say you know you want to go on a vacation sometime during December for about 1 week. Then it's going to search up all of the different places and what prices you can get. And then let's say I wanted to go to Miami, it'll tell you which week it's going to be the cheapest to travel. Same thing for any other place, New York, Portland, and if you want to go to the Caribbean, that'll be good too. So that's another really good feature that's going to save you a lot of time when looking for places to go. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the destination. So I'm going to change the location to London, and I'm going to put all airports because you want to be flexible in your origin. So now, again, we get the map feature, and I'm going to keep it on the flexible dates. And it already gives you some of the cheapest places you can go. Madrid, Malaga, Palma, Rome, Milan, Berlin, Kiev. All of these are really great prices. But let's say you just want to go to France. So in the destination area, you can type in a specific country or continent that you want to go to. So now, when you combine all of these features, the map feature with the flexible date feature and the flexible origin and general destination area, all of those things save you so much time in helping you to find which flights and dates are going to be the cheapest. And Google Flights will do it all for you. So as we see, Bordeaux is really cheap. Dinard, I'm saying these terribly wrong, I'm sure, but Marseille, Nice, Lyon, Paris, all of them are really good prices. And again, if I wanted to do another country, you can. Germany. So then there's all these cities too, which you can also look at if you want to go there. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for a shout out and hit that notification bell, like this video, and comment down below on what you thought of Google Flights and whether you plan to use it in the future. Please don't forget to watch some of my other videos and also share this with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.